Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you the prediction of your 8th May 2025 Real IELTS exam prediction. Yes, if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please click on that red little guy on your screen, and also you can get all the updates and also your exam related all the predictions and information on our channel. And keep in your mind, this is the real IELTS exam prediction. If you are looking for your prediction for your IELTS exam, then please, this is the right place for you. But before starting this prediction, if you are new on this channel, please click on subscribe button. That is a one thing, but click on the like button also. And if your friends or your non-person relatives, anyone you know that they are struggling for English speaking, or they are looking for the job interview preparation, again we are here to help you out in English with free English speaking buddy partners. If you are looking for that free English speaking buddy partners, then we are here. But again, we only need one support from you, that is only please subscribe our channel, share this video with your friends who is looking for the English speaking buddy partners. Or you are also, if you are looking for the English speaking exam practice, we are here to help you out for that. But again, if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like this button. Click on the like button. Now let's get started with the listening. So let's start with the listening part. So listening is one of the part one where you can see always fill-ups. So this time when you are looking for your fill-ups, this is going to be easy. And part 2 is multiple choice question answers or map. It's going to be easy also. And part 3 is multiple choice question answers and match the information is also you can find easy to moderate. So what is easy to moderate means? So easy to moderate always like have some kind of a difficulty level in there you can see like some vocabularies, paraphrases, or some kind of accent will gives you a little hard time to understand. So that's why we always consider that moderate that exam. Okay, so please don't forget to prepare accordingly. And part 4 is fill-ups. Fill-ups, if you are talking about the fill-ups, is going to be easy this time. Students, if you are looking for the detailed prediction, again what you need to subscribe this channel and write me down in the comment section if you are looking for the part 1, 2, 3, 4, what type of paragraph you can expect in this upcoming IELTS exam. That is a depth, I can say there's a depth prediction where I need to research a little more, but for that only I'll do with on the basis of, I can say, on the basis of the students who just request me. Okay, so please don't forget, if you are looking for that, please don't forget don't forget to write down the comment section if you need the detailed prediction. Now let's talk about the level of this exam. The level of this exam will be easy, but easy doesn't mean that you have to be relaxed. Easy means you need to practice more and more and more, because easy means this exam could be fast. So you need to practice all the accents like American, Australian, Canadian, British accent, because these accents gives a little hard time to the students to understand. Also, you need to prepare your vocabulary words because they use the vocabulary words a lot in there. And also you need to prepare your, after vocabulary word, you need to prepare your other like paraphrases. That's also another thing which students always find a little hard time. Okay, now moving to the reading side, if you talk about the reading, so reading is passage 1 is always true false not given sentence completion. So in this part you can see this will be easy this time. But passage 2, list of headings and which paragraph contains the same information, or yes no matching and summary completion. So this is the reading part 3. Oh, sorry, part 2. So we are talking part 2. So part 2, and this part is going to be easy to moderate this time. And passage 3 is yes no matching and summary completion, this is going to be easy to moderate too. So before starting and letting you know about the overall level of this exam, but if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. And if you are also looking for the free English speaking buddy partners, then again this is the right place you are here in, and you need to subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends who is looking for the free English speaking buddy partners. And also, again, I explained that what is that moderate means is a difficulty level, right? So difficulty means overall, if you talk about the exam is for this time is moderate, means you can find some difficulty in reading side. But again, don't worry about that. If you need any help from my side, I'm always here to help you out. But again, I need to know where you find the difficulty, okay? So please let me know in your please let me know in the writing section, so I'm here to help you out for your wherever you find the difficulty. All right, so now moving to the writing part. If we talk about the writing, task 1 is always you need to prepare for line, bar, table, process, combination. These are the important type for this type on 8th May 2025 IELTS exam. But again, if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, because in that way we can help and serve the community a lot, because we are here to help our students, we are here to help our people. And also, if you're writing me a comment in the comment section, you definitely find the answer within 24 hours. But again, because we are living in the Pacific time zone, the delays are there. But again, we are always catch up the students, let them know what they need, okay? Task 2, opinion discussion essay type. You need to definitely prepare advantages, disadvantages, agree and disagree. These all are the important types for this time in for your IELTS exam. And important topics are animal, global warming, environment, crime, business, entertainment, children, and also international community. These all are the important types of your writing task. But if you need more depth prediction with the topics also, I'm always here to help you out. But again, my only concern that you need to subscribe our channel or like this video. If you don't want to subscribe the channel, it's okay, but like this video and share this video with your people, with your friends who you know that preparing for the IELTS exam. So these all are the prediction for your 8th May 2025 IELTS exam. But again, if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, because we are here to help each and every individual. If you have any question, please write down in the comment section. We are always here to help you out for that too. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care. And also, wait for the next deep depth in video where I will explain the topics also. But if you need sooner than that time, please write me down in the comment section. I'm always here to help you out. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.